Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I was Beam's president from 2020 to 2022.
Hi, everyone. My name is Prashanth Malyala, and I want to tell you why you should join Beam. My first memory of Beam was going to site for the first time, and I remember my site leader being super confident and super supportive of us mentors in the classroom. And I think he really just set the example of what a good mentor looks like and what a supportive site leader looks like, which went on to affect my views of mentorship and how I should be in the classroom for the rest of my time in Beam.
My first memory is sitting in info session alone and kind of intimidated as a freshman. And a now really good friend of mine came up to me and welcomed me, and we chatted until the presentation started. 4 years later, she and I are still friends. My favorite thing about Site is watching people, including myself, being surprised at the things that they're capable of. Whether it's a mentor gaining the confidence to present to the class or engage mentees, or a mentee finishing off a build they thought was totally impossible, with creativity and effort, everybody learns something at Site.
My favorite thing about Site is definitely that moment where you see the kids get really excited about the thing we're teaching. And I think it usually happens when we do a demo or when we have the kids do their own build. So for example, building like a marshmallow catapult. I think in those moments where they get really energized about the content and really excited about what they're doing, their levels of energy are just contagious, and it makes you feel really appreciative and energetic about the work that we do. Beam's made me a better mentor by surrounding me with people who treat mentorship as a skill. And I think that's really important because we often treat different things in life as like you're disposed for something or not, or you're naturally talented at something. But I think Beam takes the right approach to treating mentorship and teaching really both as skills that you can develop and get better at.
I'm more patient with people, I'm less judgmental of other ideas, and I've learned just how valuable creativity is.
My favorite thing about Beam is definitely the community of people. I think in general, Beam attracts a certain kind of person who really cares about proactively giving to the community and really values education, really values mentorship and listening to others.
I don't know if I can choose just one thing, but if I had to, I would say the community. In both the team of mentors on Cal's campus and the broader Berkeley community that we're able to work with, Beam is an amazing group of individuals driven by a really meaningful mission. And what more can you ask for in a community? Beam is more than a club. I mean, once you graduate, like me, you remain part of Beam and our family. I'm still close with many, many people from my time in Beam, and I still remain involved in the organization as an alumni. You should all join Beam for a million reasons. Just a few of them are that you'll grow personally and professionally, you make an impact on diversifying and inspiring future leaders, learners, and scientists, and you do some super fun building activities to rediscover your own interest in learning.
I think Beam is a very unique combination of both community, which you hope to find during your time in college, as well as extremely rewarding work. And I think when you have those two things married together, it just creates something that's really, really special, where you both individually feel proud about the fact that you were in this club and you did something that you think is justifiably important, but you also took a lot of friends away from that club and felt part of something bigger, and that group of people will carry on with you for the rest of your life.